Hi, this is Bridget Knight, and I'm going to show you how to build a Lego police car. First, you start out with a car piece like that, and turn it like that, like on the way it's supposed to go. Then you take one of these car pieces, like that, and put it on each end, like one of those on each end. Yeah. Then you take these type things and put them. You're gonna need 4 of them, and put them right there. Okay. Then you take these type things, kind of like that. See? Put them on each side too, like that. And then you take like 3 of these type things and put them on. Take 2 on the back end, whichever side you pick, and then 1 in the front end. Okay, then you take like a small tube black kind of thing, and take 2 of them and snap them together and put them right here. And then you take a steering wheel, like that, and put it right there, right in front of the 2 black pieces. Then you take this type thing like that, and then put 1 on each side. And like that. Then you take a piece like this and put it right here, like that. And you take a little flat kind of thing like this, put it right here, like that. And you take a glass piece like this and snap it on right here. And you take another one and snap it on right here. Then you take 2 triangle-shaped yellow pieces and put them on the front, whichever side you pick, and like this. And then take a piece like the grill-looking piece like that, a vent, and then take just a plain old one of these and put them right here. Then you take the back, take 2 red triangle-shaped pieces, and then put them right here. Take a white-looking piece like this, put it right here. Okay. Then you take another one of these just plain gray pieces, right here, and then put it right here. Then you take a 4-piece like that, and a 2-piece like this, and you snap 2-piece right here like that. Then you take a vent-looking piece and snap it right above 2-piece. Then you take 2 blue triangle-shaped pieces, put them like this. Then you take a 4-piece like that, and get 2 like little switch things, like control switch things, and snap them right there, kind of like antennas, looking like they look like. And make sure they're even. Then you take this piece again, and take this piece, and then you snap this piece right here, like that. Then you take this piece and snap it on the back of the car, like that. And then you take this piece right here, and you put it right here. Then you take wheels like this, you know, any kind of wheel, as long as it fits, right there. And then you do the same thing in the front. You got your police car. Yep, there you go.